Well, right here at about 11:15, we are tracking the approach of rain. Chief Meteorologist Mallory Schnell here with me on the night team, looking at what we're going to have in the overnight hours. And then tomorrow, you have no excuse not to have an umbrella or some kind of rain gear because you're going to need it for a lot of the day.
Yeah, we have rounds of it rolling through tomorrow. So starting off in the morning, more on the way for late afternoon into the evening. Some of those storms could be strong. But yes, expect that rain to ramp back up tonight. So many of us got a bit of a break today in between these two main weather systems this week. More storms widespread on Wednesday, and then we are tracking likely a drier into the week. Thursday, some lingering showers, drier by Friday into Saturday before we could have a little bit of moisture return by early next week. So your rain chances for the next 5 days definitely highest tonight through Wednesday night, tapering off to our southeast on Thursday, drier Friday and Saturday, and then Sunday into early next week. For now, I have a 20% chance. Does look like an upper level low to our southeast could filter in just enough moisture for a pop-up shower or storm. We'll be watching that closely, but in terms of widespread rainfall, that is certainly tonight through Wednesday night. So really now through Thursday, we're expecting anywhere between 1 to 3 inches of rainfall area wide, but of course isolated amounts of 4 inches certainly possible across Kentuckiana in those higher, stronger bands of storms. And we could use this rain. As we know, we've been talking about our growing drought conditions across Kentuckiana for the last several weeks due to the drier trend that we had throughout August, the first half of this month as well. Much of our area in moderate drought, western Kentucky and southern Kentucky in severe drought in that orange or deeper tan color there off to our southwest. So all of this is certainly welcomed. Now our ground is a little bit more saturated after the rain that we got Sunday into Monday and of course so far today. So it won't take as much to cause some flooding concerns. So we have to pay attention to the heavy rainfall threat. But here's the big picture view. You can see storms ongoing throughout Arkansas into Tennessee and then also pushing up to Indy. So we're kind of right between that there with the radar trying to fill in here in Kentuckiana. But because of that, we're expecting more scattered in nature showers and storms through tonight. Once again, tomorrow, allow yourself some extra time just to get where you need to go because we're likely tracking some rain for your morning commute. Matt Breland will have the latest look at that on Good Morning Kentuckiana tomorrow morning. Then tomorrow, I think we'll have some dry time midday, and if we do, some stronger storms may develop during the evening hours. Latest model data have another surge of moisture tomorrow night into Thursday morning before this finally starts to wrap up and push off to our southeast Thursday. But once again, yes, we do have that level 1 out of 5 threat right now for strong winds and can't rule out a spin-up tornado. That threat is very low. But we have an area of low pressure rolling through the region tomorrow, so we do have to pay attention to that. Heavy rainfall, really the main threat for all of us heading into tonight and throughout Wednesday, into Wednesday night. Once again, drier Friday through the weekend with those high temperatures staying comfortable in the upper 70s and lower 80s. Doug.